Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory. On my today's video I will show you how to make your own fish pie. You can see it's so amazing and it tastes so wonderful. Here I'm using this fish fillet, boneless fish fillet for this recipe. I'll be marinating this with curry powder, black pepper, chili, salt, suya powder, and chicken powder. I'll be mixing everything to work combine. So you can see it's already mixed. I added my oil on my pan. I'll fry this onion. And sliced garlic. So all this is optional. You can put according to your taste when making this fish sauce. So as I'm cooking it, I'm mashing it. So I added the carrot, and the minced bell peppers. I added 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour for thickener. So this time it's ready, I'll set it aside. Here I'll be doing the dough. So I'm using 3 kg of all-purpose flour. So I added 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and baking powder, and nutmeg. I'll be listing out all the ingredients that I use for this recipe. Please check it out on the description. This is margarine. I prefer to use margarine whenever I'm making any pie because the texture is more better than using butter. So here I use 2 cups of full cream milk in order to mix the dough to combine. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Here I'll be cutting it the way it will help me, for me to knead it and form it into the pie that I want. So this is optional, it's not mandatory. You can make it as easy as whatever you think is easy for you. So I'm using this mold for my pie. So I need to knead it out and put it on my mold, and then put the mixed fish and vegetable, and then dice it. You can see it looks amazing. So I'll be doing the rest of it. So remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. Thank you so much for watching. So I have to use the fork to poke 3 times on each of them, and I'll do the egg wash. I'll be baking this for 15 minutes under 160 degrees Celsius. See, all done. The aroma is everywhere. It tastes so good. Hope you get to try this recipe. Thank you so much. If you have watched me this far, remember to subscribe, like my video, comment, and share. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.